Anton Gustav Matoš, The Comfort of the Hair. I was looking at you last night, in a dream, sad. You were dead, in a fatal hall among flowers, on a high deathbed, in the agony of candles, ready to give you my life as a sacrifice. I didn't cry. I didn't. I stood astonished in a fatal hall, full of this beautiful death, doubting that the dark eyes are clear where once a better life used to shine from. Everything is dead. Eyes, breath, and hands. Everything that in despair I wanted to bring to life, in a blind dread and in the torment of desire, in a fatal hall and in the great thoughts. Only your hair was still alive, and it said to me, "Be still, in death one sleeps,